My name's Barry, an IT project manager, really familiar and deep into technology is one of the reasons I implemented my solar system. So I wanted a bit of energy independence where I could have a rate cushion as I move into retirement, where my energy rates become fixed price and they don't increase year over year. My electricity bill in March was $32, about 250 kilowatts, which is excellent. I expect next month I'll be paying zero and build some credits up on for my winter months. Investing in a solar system, I was able to achieve that. Checked out their offering on the website, some testimonials, and contacted the local sales rep. The actual quote process was really good with Solar in terms of designing my system, sizing my system, and explaining the cost and credits and rebates that are associated with solar. And able to walk me through and guide me with that made it a lot easier for the install. So when the installer showed up with the panels, it actually went quite quick. The workers and staff were very professional. So Solar actually worked with me to take advantage of an NB power rebate and a federal government rebate, and also a 10-year interest-free loan that was pretty free, stress-free, trouble-free with the guidance of the project manager. I was easily able to contact the company through email, and response was usually within the same day. I had somebody to help me out. From a financial payback and stabilization of your electrical rates, it's the way to go. Make sure you understand all the available grants and loans available from the government to take advantage of it to drive down the cost, because it's significant. As I move into retirement and a fixed income, with my solar panels, I'll have some energy independence tools and applications you get with your system, so you can get real-time historical usage and data about the performance of your solar system, how much you're producing, and we also invested in a energy monitor for my house, so I'm able to see what I'm using inside my house on each of my electrical circuits, like my heat pumps in my kitchen, my fridge, and I'm able to see how much energy I'm consuming and selling back to the power company in terms of credits.